the last video, we were showing those who allow the bad elements to come into our life. And in today's video, we'll be analyzing the exact harmer, we could say, right? The sixth lord, and how it is showing those who can do harm to us or take something from us. And we will be going through 3 charts. So there must be invitation. In the last 2 videos, we were doing that. The ninth lord weak, the Kendra must allow. So the boundaries must be weak for others to exploit us. If the vaccine, if these 2 rules are weak, then the virus is finding its way. So today we are talking about the virus, about the sixth lord. So let's roll the intro and start with the first one. It is important to understand that there are 3 important, fundamentally bad houses in the chart. They are called dusthana, which means a bad place. 3rd, 6th, 8th, and 12th. Oh, we have 4th, right? So 3rd is the mild malefic. But the 6th, 8th, and 12th, definitely they are doing the harm. So the 12th is like loss, the 8th is debt. Some are saying it's a 6, it's wrong. 6 is the enemy or the opponent. It's showing the legal cases. Also the accidents. Therefore, if we have something related to the 6th house, it can turn the positive side of the 6th house, which can be there. So the 3rd and 6th are also upachaya, which means that they can be positive. But if a 6th is badly placed or badly situated, then it turns to other part of the coin, the negative one. And then it's a dusthana. And the 6th lord is showing those who can steal the things from us. If you have those ingredients for the recipe from the previous 2 videos, the 9th lord and the Kendras are weak. And then by the magnetic way of karmic weird situation, the 6th lord comes by to say hello, then you know, oh, there is someone uninvited and probably he or she wants to take something from us. So we have to be especially careful. So we have to now be twice more careful to compensate coming of this nice guy. So let's see the first chart. This is the Dinhor, the physician which turned politics. We have Lagna Lord Mercury with Ketu. Lagna Lord should be the head. Ketu means without the head. Now, where is Jupiter? Is it nicely placed? Is it supporting that Mercury? It's in the 3rd house from the Lagna Lord, right? With Maranakarakastana Mars. So if you want to see how this chart allows to 6th lord to work, see the 2 previous video, because in this chart, we will see now the 6th lord. Is it somehow close, right? Is it, what he's really doing? What can be exploited? So we know that this situation, when he lost, when his party lost, he was doing this weird speech, which was defined or termed as a meltdown. As said, there was some editing done. So this editing, you know, someone is not well-wishing you, right? There is something, you have big opposition who is manipulating the recording and is putting you in the bad light. So this is 6th lord in the 5th house because it shows these followers. And then the 5th is in the 4th. So it's like malefic is going to 5th and then they are pushed. They are like going away or even escaping, right? And this was exactly happening in the Venus Antardasha. So you can see the Venus connects these 2 points, right? It is the 5th lord in the 4th. There is Parivartana, but it is showing basically that the followers are going away. 5th lord is in the 4th, right? Like we have a yoga 4th lord in the 3rd, which is very good for selling the properties, right? But here you don't want the properties to go. You know? It may also show that they will be exchanged for other followers. So he may lose some, gain other, right? Like in the YouTube, if you are showing your views, you will lose some followers from other party, and you will bring people who are more close to yourself. Similarly here, the 5th and 4th may show that exchange, but in that, at least in that Venus, it's just showing the loss, right? 5th lord is in the 4th. So in that Dasha of, it was sub period of Venus, they were going away. And why? Because 6th lord is in the 5th. So that Venus is also dispositor or is activating, right? You can see there's a story, there is some kind of vahana or mechanism going on. 6th lord is in the 5th. He's doing something, right? Exploiting that situation. Black holes, right? To exploit, and they are there, as we can see in the previous video. And then he will, from what he said, right? Ketu is with Mercury. Mercury-Venus yoga. So there is something public thing related to 5th house, his followers. So he will do something with your speech, right? So they recorded that and they manipulated and they ridiculed him publicly for his thing. You can see that on the YouTube. Now, in the second situation, we can see how Ascendant Lord is Venus. By the way, if you like to have your chart analyzed with regards to sixth house or maybe other things related to the career, relationship, or health, then please consider booking the consultation. You can find the link in the description. And the sixth Lord is Venus. It's the same thing. So he was also ridiculed in two ways. One was when he corrected the child that he wrongly wrote the word potato. The other thing was that he was like criticizing he was like going against the people in the series, also ridiculed by the opposite party. And it all happened, of course, in the Dasha related to that because it was Jupiter Ketu. No? But here you can see it is more about own misdoing, right? Lagna Lord in 8, even Lagna Lord with Saturn, right? The other Lagna Lord moon is with the Saturn in the 3rd house. This is also may go in that direction. So Lagna Lord is in 8 and Jupiter is not helping because it's in, first of all, 12 from that Lagna Lord and Jupiter has 0 Digbala. And Aruda Lagna is aspected by Ketu, which shows that you will be known because of that mistakes, and whatever is joining that Ketu. This is the same principle as we did for Rahu, remember? If Rahu is aspecting Garuda, you will have scandal. If Ketu, as it turned out with those 3 examples, it shows that you may be known for mistakes. And the type of mistakes will be related to that Ketu, right? Here it is Jupiter, so it will be about kids, about academia. So he went to school and that was the thing. And again, 7th house, so it's being around people or doing something public. And 6th Lord, the Venus is snatched between Ketu and Mars, so it is showing that your impulsivity may be exploited by the enemy. And why impulsivity? Because it's part of your character. Why? Because it's also the ascendant. And the most clear example is, of course, of Jeffree Star, because here he had 6th Lord in the 11. The thieves are coming to 11th house, to his gains, to what he collected, and the Venus, which is showing the clothes, and they just took $2 million worth match from him, which was not released. So you can see this is quite painful loss. Now this chart also fulfills those 2 ingredients of the recite we discussed in 2 previous video, and the 6th Lord is just coming to collect the things, right? The enemy is just, you invited him, right? Dual sign, Kendra badly placed, 9th Lord debilitated. So people may take those things. They are on the table unguarded, right? So the Venus 6th Lord just came in that specific Dasha. It was related to Ketu. It was Ketu Antar Dasha joining that 9th Lord debilitated, joining that 6th Lord, which will exploit the situation, and being placed in the house of his items, of his gains related to Venus, which was his merge. And if that's not enough for you, see what is doing the Kartari Yoga on that Venus. You will notice that 10 and 12 Parivartana. And what Karakas are related to that Parivartana? Saturn and Ketu, which are specifically suited for this type of situation. So see where is your 6th Lord. If you are in the Dasha related to 6th house, what the rivalry, the opponent, the opposition may try to do with your chart. And in those Dashas related to the 6th house, you must do mantras to protect yourself. There is much more to the 6th house. You can even tell what the enemy really wants, what was his motive, right? You can also see even the syllables of potential people who may harm you. So all that we are learning on the course. If you'd like to learn more about this extreme situation, then please consider watching this one.